Hey there, biology students. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about the equipment and animals that will be available to you in lab this week. So as you can see, I've got a balance, I've got a respiration chamber with a carbon dioxide sensor. I have a little tub here with some of my six-legged friends in it. All these procedures will be the same regardless of which animal you decide to test or which combinations of animals you decide to test. You should expect to have mice available, hissing cockroaches available, and possibly also crickets available to you to make comparisons between how temperature affects endotherms or ectotherms or whatever you'd like to do. We have a respiration chamber which can be heated or cooled, so you can test the effects of temperature that way. And one of the things that you're going to want to do, regardless of which animal you decide to test or which combination, is that you need to weigh your animals to determine how much oxygen they consume or how much CO2 they give off per body mass, per gram of the animal. Because the mice are larger, they have more cells, they're going to give off more CO2 just because they're bigger, not because they're metabolizing faster or slower or anything like that. So we need a way to compensate for that, and the way is to weigh the animal. So pick up my cockroach here, and I'm going to put it into my scientifically, technologically advanced weighing sack, and I'm going to weigh my cockroaches and look at the weight, record the weight in your lab manual, and then I'm going to transfer the animal from the sack into the respiration chamber, and you can just pour them right out like that into the chamber. Now you're ready to go. Make sure you get your chamber to the temperature that you would like it for your experiment before you put the animal in there. You don't want to leave the animals in the chambers for any longer than necessary, because as they sit in here, whether it's hot or cold or room temperature, they're giving off CO2 and that gas is building up in here. So, you're doing just a 7 to 10 minute long measurement while they're in the chamber. And then when you're finished, you can take them out of the chamber, put them back in your weighing sack. Come on, guys. Let's cooperate here. We're on camera. Don't embarrass me. Put them back in the sack, carry them back over to their holding container, and put them back in that way.